Since 1999, our company has put substantial effort into developing a new industrial cleaning method. RST-5 is the result. It's a revolutionary water-based replacement of aggressive solvents. Cleaning tools and other implements using solvents involve serious risks for our environment and the health of our workers. Increasingly, these risks are acknowledged by both governments and industries. Stricter regulations and a call for a drastic reduction in VOC emissions and improved disposal of chemical waste are concrete consequences. More importantly, national and international community bodies are rapidly imposing new duties on the usage of solvents. RST-5 rises to the challenge. Unlike solvents, using RST-5 is as simple as washing your hands. All you need is lukewarm water, RST-5, and some kinetic energy. RST-5 is the only non-solvent industrial cleaning tool. It's cost-effective, safe, and produces astonishing results. Let's take a closer look at how it works. First, fill with ordinary tap water. Add 5 to 10% RST-5, depending on the substance being removed. Heat the water to invigorate the power of RST-5. Soak your brush completely and then pull through the spinner's hole, immediately cleaning 50% of the pollutant. Repeat this process to remove a further 20%. Next, compressed air is used to push a further 15% of the solution into the bucket underneath the spinner. The final 15% is removed in the tank. Rubbing against the grid separates the last pollutant, which is encapsulated by RST-5 and sinks to the bottom of the washing station. The brush is now clean and can be dried in the spinner's air chamber. There is no better demonstration than from an RST-5 user. Based in Emmeloord, the Netherlands, this user saves 40% of operational cleaning costs using an environmentally friendly product. Their high-quality rollers show better performance, smoother running, and are longer lasting. The RST-5 process takes about 30 seconds. RST-5 encapsulates the pollutants by breaking down the polymer chains and dispersing them, hence resin separation technology. The polymers no longer bind together and slowly sink to the washing station's base. Cleaning the washing station involves heating the water to 70 degrees centigrade for 1 hour, cooling for 30 minutes, and pouring through a filter. The dried residue is condensed into a granulose substance that can be economically disposed of or recycled. The filtered water is now ready for reuse. RST-5's unique solution can be tailored to fit your needs. Through suggestions, we've introduced an industrial hand cleaner and the power towel as powerful degreasers, cleaning effectively where once only aggressive solvents were used. More and more industries find new applications for RST-5. It's already being used in shipbuilding and repair, painting, oil, and printing. RST-5, the only non-solvent industrial cleaner.